Hi, my name is William. I'm the chef of Kitchen Inc. So today I'll be showing you two simple recipes that you can try at home with Benriach whiskey. So today for the first dish, I'll be cooking a lobster linguine. So what you have here is a lobster, the linguine pasta, tomato sauce, the parmesan cheese, some chopped garlic and shallots, some butter, some diced vegetables, and also the lobster stock which I cook with Benriach, a 10-year-old whiskey. Before I cook it, I normally insert a skewer inside the lobster tail to prevent it from curling. Then after that, I'll season it with some salt and also drizzle with some olive oil. Low torch the lobster. So what I have here is a Josper charcoal oven from Spain. I'm going to cook the lobster for around 2 to 3 minutes until it's ready. Here is lobster stock ready made. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to incorporate the whiskey inside the stock. Pour some of the whiskey in. Once it's heated up, I'm going to flambe it with a blowtorch to remove the alcohol content. So as you can see, the alcohol is burning off. And after that, I'll just incorporate into the lobster stock. So to cook the lobster linguine, what we have here is a hot pan with some olive oil. We start with sweating the shallots and garlic. And after that, I add in the tomato sauce, the lobster stock that I made earlier. And I'll add my brunoise vegetable. Once it's reduced down, I'll season it with some salt, pepper, some butter, some parmesan cheese. And after that, I add in my linguine. This linguine has already been pre-cooked in boiling water for around 8 minutes. So after the lobster has been cooked for around 2 to 3 minutes, now I'm going to plate the pasta. So for the lobster, you remove the skewer. Then after that, you cut into 4 pieces. So the second dish we'll be doing today will be a tomahawk steak dish. What we have here is a tomahawk steak from Argentina, then has been marinated with Benriach double smoked whiskey. To pair it with, I have some mushroom, asparagus, and also I actually made a sauce using the Benriach 12-year-old whiskey. For the tomahawk steak, I will season it with salt and pepper before grilling. Season it with salt, pepper, and turn it around, salt and pepper. So after you season your beef, I'm going to grill it in the oven. Cook for approximately 15 minutes and keep checking on each side. So for the side dish, for the beef, what I have here is eringi mushrooms. Heat up the pan. First we start with some olive oil. So as you can see, the pan is smoking, so the mushroom goes in. Season it with salt and pepper. Then add some butter. Then once it's golden brown, I'm going to flip it. Next I'm going to do is some salted asparagus. First you need a hot pan, then after that you put in some olive oil. Season it with some salt, some pepper. Add some butter. And cook until it's slightly coloured. Just saute for roughly 1 to 2 minutes. For the sauce for the beef, I'm going to cook with Benriach 12-year-old whiskey. First, heat up the pan. So I'm burning off the alcohol. Once the alcohol has been burned off, I'm going to add in my brown chicken stock. After that, I'm going to add in some butter, some salt, some pepper for flavour. You want it to have a bit like a cream consistency. So after you cook the beef and you let it rest, I'm going to cut it off the bone. Then I'm going to cut it into thick slices. And for the plating, the beef, some of the vegetables that I cooked earlier, the sauteed mushroom and asparagus. And finally, to finish it with the whiskey sauce, cooked with Benriach 12-year-old whiskey. Thank you for watching. So I hope you guys enjoy cooking these recipes at home with Benriach whiskies.